Maharashtra government has swung into action. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has said that action will be taken against the MLA. This is a serious issue. And the MLA who had slapped and hit a canteen worker in the MLA's hostel canteen, now the Chief Minister is saying there will be action taken against the Shiv Sena leader. He has slammed the Shiv Sena leader against that assault. Joining me right now is Mustafa Sheikh, cutting straight across to Mustafa. Mustafa, finally it seems that the government is taking notice of it. He is an MLA of the government, the party which is in the government, part of the government, and it is quite shocking the way he has said that मैंने अपने style में action लिया है. So it is quite brazen. So finally some notice by the government.
That's true that Sanjay Gaikwad is from the ruling government. He's from Shinde Sena faction because his behavior, and also that he has said that he doesn't regret his behavior. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, speaking in the floor of the House, has said that such behavior gives bad name to MLAs, to elected public representatives. It presents them in public as boons, and hence he said that what he has done is not appropriate. And because he's an MLA, whatever the Speaker of the House, whatever action they suggest against him should be taken. So it's a remark which is coming from the Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis himself, who has not supported Sanjay Gaikwad doings, and he has called him out, saying that whatever action is necessary should be taken, because normally MLAs are seen supporting each other, and that's why they get away with. Even the contractor of the canteen who was assaulted by Sanjay Gaikwad is not ready to file a police complaint, but then the Chief Minister coming out in support, saying that what Sanjay Gaikwad did was not right. Back to you.
Right, Mustafa. Also, the Chief Minister is saying if there was a complaint, it could have been done normally. Now, Sanjay Gaikwad claims, in fact, in a very laughing tone, he says, I did it 200 times and still there was no action taken to it. And he then goes on to say that I did it in my style. So there we see that he thought it is quite okay to go ahead and deliver his form of justice.